Hi, welcome to Ann Evolving. I am so excited to come to you today with a package from CityBeauty. So thank you to CityBeauty for giving me the opportunity to review your products, which I otherwise could not have purchased at this time. As you may have seen my video on the neck and using this product, saw results in 45 days. And I can even tell this morning I was testing out the City Lips. I had never tried the City Lips. So I took a picture before and then I time-stamped it and did 2 more photos. And I also, when I put the City Lips on, put on the neck cream. And you'll see in the first and the picture that follows how quickly it does tighten your neck. If you don't use it, you do see it kind of revert back to its more wrinkly state or, crepey or not as firm. But just this morning, you'll see the results in those pictures when I have not yet applied it and still have seen tremendous results. But when I do apply it, how quickly it does help to give the neck a nice lift. I love this product. This is the product that turned me on to CityBeauty. And while we're talking about it, trying the City Lips this morning, oh my gosh. I mean, I have very thin lips, and I think as you age, they do thin out even more. I have tried different plumping glosses, but this one this morning, like I said, I took a picture before and then I time-stamped it and took a couple more, and I can really see they are fuller, smoother. I can still feel it on my lips, and usually my lips eat product, as do my cheeks. They just eat up the product, and within just a few minutes after I apply a lipstick or a lip gloss, it's basically gone. So this is still on, and I think it's doing really well. So I think I have a new favorite. All right, so that's the City Lips. Oh wait, I should have read. City Lips is our award-winning hydrating lip plumper. Offers intense moisture to give your lips a fuller, plumper, younger look. I feel fuller, plumper, and a younger look. Over time, the formula promotes healthy hydration levels to help prevent dryness and smooth out lip lines. Well, I'm all for that. Next, we have the Uplift Firming Serum. So it has some information here. Reduces the appearance of wrinkles for a smooth finish, targets sagging skin for a taut lifted look, rejuvenates skin for a younger look in just 30 minutes, and deeply hydrates for a visible plumping effect. This is the product that I thought was supposed to be used under my eyes in a couple of videos back, and I realized you could put it on all of the skin, which is really great. So I'm gonna start testing this all over again because, like I said, if the INVISICREPE Body Balm has had such a nice and lifting effect on my neck, I would hope that this would too. And so I'm about to begin trying that as well. And it says chill in the refrigerator for a luxurious experience. I bet that's a nice treat. This is the lid lifting treatment for drooping eyelids. Oh, I can't wait to try this. I have been using my Nira on the skin above my eyes and all around my eyes. If you follow me and have watched any of my Nira videos, you know I'm basically trying it all over my face. So I think this will be a fun thing to also try on the upper lids of my eyes. It says it targets drooping eyelids for a firm, lifted, wide awake look with quinoa seed and flower extract, and it says to smooth and tighten. So that looks really interesting. Can't wait to try that. So this is the line blurring wrinkle filler. It says it helps reduce the appearance of wrinkles long term, helps deep creases appear more filled in, supports the look of skin firmness and smoothness, and instantly blurs the look of fine lines and wrinkles. Dab in the direction of the wrinkle for the most effective application, depending on the depth layer as needed. The specialized applicator can be used in place of fingertips. Anyway, it has this little hole right here. And I think you just apply, like this. And basically what you're doing is you're using the product and you're filling in that wrinkle. And then you just dab it over top like that. You can then apply your foundation and makeup over it. And I'm telling you, the wrinkle is filled in. So next we have the Multi-Action Sculpting Cream. It has acacia bipolymer. It has a powerful tripeptide that helps increase the appearance of skin firmness and reduce the look of wrinkles. I'm all for that. Firming peptide peptide blend supports the look of springier, more supple skin while providing a significant contouring effect, especially on areas like the jawline where sagging skin is most noticeable. I would love to try that here to try and see if I can lift some of that. It says this is a solution for loose skin, sagging skin, fine lines, and wrinkles. The multi-action sculpting cream says it is good for loose skin, sagging skin, fine lines, and wrinkles. And the INVISICREPE body balm says it is good for crepey skin, dry skin, thinning, sagging, wrinkles, and fine lines. They seem very similar, but the ingredients are different. The INVISICREPE has niacinamide, lipid compound, and ribose. And the multi-action sculpting cream has acacia bipolymer, biometric tripeptide, and firming peptide blend. We'll have to give these a try and see which one works and where. So again, I just want to thank CityBeauty for sending me this package to try for you guys. I will be trying these products. I can't wait to share more about them with you. So far, the product that I certainly can brag on is the INVISICREPE Body Balm. I can also talk about this one now that I tried it this morning, and I love it. It's still on my lips. It has really plumped up my lips, and I feel like it's given them a nice, fuller look. Thank you for watching. I appreciate you tuning in, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one.